Hey everyone, Justin here again with Weekend Warriors. What I'm going to do is go ahead and show you how to hang a piece of drywall on your ceiling if you're working by yourself. I would suggest getting a friend. It's much easier. Renting a lift, it's much easier. But Weekend Warriors, we do what we do, and normally we're working by ourselves. So what I did is I took a scrap piece of 2x4, placed it up here. It's going to be my ledge. It's about 1.5 to 2 inches down from the ceiling. Cut a piece of 2x4 about 1 inch short of my ceiling height. So I'm going to take my drywall, set it on the ledge, lift up the other side, place the dead man in place, throw a couple screws in, see how it goes. Place the dead man in the middle, grab some screws. You don't want to go too tight right away, just enough to hold it. Make sure you're all lined up and square. Whoops. If you don't drop at least one screw while you're doing this, you're not a weekend warrior. Alright, well, that'll hold it. I can remove the dead man, standing underneath, pretty confident. And then I can screw this all in place, take down that little piece of 2x4, move on to the next piece. And before I forget, if you're not in a scenario like this where you have a place to hang that, what you can go ahead and do is build yourself a jig out of some scrap and find your joist, ceiling joist. You can screw this in, same concept. You make yourself a ledge, hang your drywall on it. You can always use a dead man on the other side. So even if you're hanging in the middle of the room, works the same way. If this helped, like and comment, follow us. Have a great day.